Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage USB charging port and the water resistant. So I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. I think everyone has an old toothbrush in your home. So I think this is the best tool to clean your USB charging port in safe. So firstly, if you have the cover, you need to take the cover off, and if you as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just try to pry the door tight. So as you can see, it's too easy to do because toothbrush is the best tool to clean the connector. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.